Hi everyone, my name is Aldwin Veneracion from BSIT 4C. So our activity for today is installation of VMware station. So first we open the Google, then type VMware download, then just the first one at the top, then scroll down the website, then download the work, workstation 17 player for Windows because I use Windows. Then let's wait for it to be downloaded. Okay, then already downloaded na yung VMware. Then let's try to open it. Then click yes. Then the setup wizard showed. Then let's click next. Accept the term in license agreement. Next. 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 Then install. Then this is the final process of the installing. Then let's wait for a few minutes. Then while we're waiting for it to install, so what is VMware? VMware Workstation is a line of desktop hypervisor product which lets users run virtual machine, container, and Kubernetes cluster. What is the advantage of VMware? Cost-effective software, multiple OS allowed, fast rollback features, entire test environment is low budget, adding new virtual machine is easy to delete machine, wide number user. The disadvantage of VMware is lack of reliability, no best for complete physical product testing, need handling skill, and low performance. That's all for the VMware introduction. Then, then the installing process is done. Then let's click finish. Then let's open the VMware. we will only use the non-commercial use because it's for free. Then so this is the VMware workstation. That's all. Thank you.